In this video, I'm going to be doing another one of those sort of DIY idea type videos that you've seen me do in the past with things like milk crates, IBC totes, 55-gallon plastic drums. This one today is going to be wooden pallets, and it's going to be 50 ideas that you can make, different things that you can make do-it-yourself things with wooden pallets. So for anybody who doesn't know what a pallet is, it's basically just a flat piece of wood that can be picked up by a forklift, and it provides structure and a base for large kind of like cubes of goods that are being shipped. When goods are shipped, they're kind of shipped in a large cube, a very heavy large cube, and the pallet provides a flat surface for them to sit on that the forklift can pick up and move around. Now, you can't always go out and buy these pallets, but the cheaper alternative would be to call local retailers like grocery stores, different places that would have their goods shipped in on pallets. Maybe even school districts, if they are large enough, would have their supplies shipped in on a pallet, and just ask what they do with the pallets when they can no longer use them, or they have to get rid of ones that might be too damaged to continue using. A lot of places will have pallet recycling programs, but some places will probably be willing to give you a couple of them for free if you schedule a time to come pick them up. So like I say in all these videos, I do not own any of these ideas. I did not create them. I'm simply just showing you them. They are all created by other people, and I take no credit for that. And in the video description, I'll try to put a link to at least one of each one of the numbered ideas that I showed you. And all of these ideas involve the pallets. Some of them involve keeping the pallets intact. Others, as you will see, involve tearing off the wooden pieces of the pallets and repurposing them for other things. But these are all generated using recycled wooden pallets. So enjoy the video.